Hello everyone, today we will give you a presentation about our master project. Before this presentation, I would like to apologize for one of our team members has left and she won't come back. So me and Hong Yuan need to do the rest of her job, and also it's about the UI design part and she didn't do anything of that part. Although we will do the rest of her parts, but we could not do it perfectly, cause our job is about another part, but we will try to finish that. For the first part, we will introduce about this presentation. For Sprint2, it's about the Sprint2 description, and the next part is about the team members' contribution. As me, I am also the management role, and the next job is about the database create. For Hang Yuan, he does the UI design and setup, and also for the API design and setup. For this part is about the Sprint2 backlog. As the list, for the first is about the Sprint2 analysis and design, the database analysis, the database structure analysis, and the database data type design, and also the user interface design. After this, I communicate with the client to make sure it achieves their requirements. For the second part is about the development part. It's about database table create, database testing, data input, and the login page create, the registration page create, and the connect with the database, the login API create, and the registration API create. From the hours, it's easily can see we almost achieved all the problems, and also the actual hours is more than the estimate hours. And next is about the management role. As a manager, first I need to communicate with the clients and also get their requirements. Second, I need to assign the task to our team members. Next is about the control and management. I need to control the time and management the task to approve the requirements. After this, I also need to kick off with the clients to make sure the requirements is achieved. Next is about the database create. We would like to use the database, the MySQL, to storage our customer data. As a requirement, it separates into three different data. First is about the students' data, and second about is the teacher data, and last it's about the room data. And we also separate these three data into different parts, into different tables, including the class information, students class information, and the students information, and the teacher class information, and also the teacher information, and also includes the user login. For example, for the login data, we create three headers. It's IDs, PIN, and the valid date. IDs and PINs is using for login the app, and also the valid date is ensure the students is valid. For next part, this screenshot shows the teacher information and the teacher class information and the class information. As we can see, here has the headers is about the teacher ID, the teacher name, and the contact number. For the teacher ID, we also can show this on the second tables. And also the teacher ID in the second table is the foreign key, and the class ID in the second table is the main key, primary key. At the last table is about the class ID and the class room and the class time. We use the foreign keys and the primary keys to link the three different tables. In this way, we can link the teacher with the classroom and the class time. Next part is about the Hang Yuan.
Hi everybody, I'm Han Yuanyu. I will talking about my contribution in the Sprint2. Because of the left of one of our departments group member, I need to take her her responsibility and do finish the user design, analyze, and the code of about them. At the UI analyze and design part, I create I create about 5 pages. It's login pages, registration pages, student page, teacher page, and admin page. And for student and teacher, they have their own timetable pages, which is designed like right, the one in right hand. It's 7 days in a week, and every day is 8 classes, and it's a table. We can show that this week the class in this week is shown in the colors, and not in this week is not is grade. And then the next part is the UI interface. UI we have achieved is the login page and the registration page. You can show that it's very simple because I'm not too good at UI design. And on the middle one is the login success page. We didn't finish it because there's still some problem with the functions after that. It's just a sample to is a word inside to show we cannot successfully login it. And after that, we will talking about the coding. This one is the screenshot about the main activities. It is about how to respond the user actions like click on the button. But there's still some problem like connecting to the database to use the data in the user tables. We will finish that in Sprint 3. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.